Spray your car window with this mixture, and it will defrost without scraping. This simple mix will save you time and frustration, and it costs just a few bucks. Cold mornings can be unpleasant, and scraping ice off your windows can take a while. Instead of buying expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Most of the ingredients are already in your home. You'll never have to scrape windows before driving again. In a container, pour 30 milliliters of salicylic alcohol. It has properties that dissolve ice. Next, add 30 milliliters of vinegar. Then, measure 15 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. It has surfactant properties that reduce surface tension, helping the mixture work better. Finally, pour in 400 milliliters of warm water. You can use lukewarm water, but hot water will speed up the ice melting process. Mix everything together, transfer it to a spray bottle, and screw on the lid. Let me know the lowest temperature in your city this year. Spray your windows with this de-icer, and within seconds, you'll see the ice start to melt. The ingredients ensure the mixture won't freeze on your windows. No more scraper needed, just spray and leave it. This trick will save you time and won't hurt your wallet.